Hi guys, my name is Meher and you're watching Meher's workshop. Today I'm gonna open this hygrometer, digital meter, which is not working very well. So we are gonna open it and see what's inside. First of all, I'm gonna take out its batteries. I'm still figuring out and how to open this. So taking out the back cover, and over here we have this LCD, and it is attached by the help of this magnetic strip, I think, like directly on this attachment over here. So what do we have here? We have very minimum circuit board over here. We have transistor, resistors, and some kind of NTC. So it is a very basic kind of thing. There is nothing inside of it, and the model number of this is QF12065. So this board name may be this, or what is this? So the back side on it is battery, and on the front it have this. So maybe if I'm gonna attach it back, maybe it will work better. So it works like this. As soon as it's attached over here, it's gonna give that's the thing. LCD is not attached directly, it's being transmitted the data directly from it. That's very, we are getting some data over here. Okay, that's how it works. Now we have to take this thing out. It is a sensor of this. It opens like this, and on the here we have these sensors. This one is for the humidity and this one is for the temperature. So these two senses and show them onto the screen over here. So this one is for the temperature, black one, and this one is a humidity sensor, which sense the humidity. So this is inside of it, the hygrometer digital meter. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.